Did you know that one simple mistake could be making your itchy skin worse every single day? Millions of Americans struggle with persistent itching, fungal skin infections, and irritating skin conditions. They spend hundreds of dollars on creams, sprays, and treatments, only to find themselves scratching again a few days later. Sound familiar? What if there was a simple mineral that's been used for generations and may help support cleaner, drier, less irritated skin? I'm talking about alum. Most people know alum as a traditional mineral used for skin care, but very few know how to use it correctly. And here's the problem. Many people actually use alum the wrong way, which can lead to even more skin irritation. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use alum safely, what it may help with, and the one mistake you should never make. Stay with me because tip number 4 is the one most people completely overlook, and it could make the biggest difference. Let's dive in. Tip 1. The alum cleansing rinse. When people experience itchy skin, their first instinct is usually to scratch. But here's what most people don't realize. Scratching damages the skin's protective barrier. Once that barrier is weakened, irritation can become even worse. This is where alum becomes interesting. Studies suggest that alum has natural astringent properties, meaning it can help tighten skin tissues and create a cleaner environment on the skin's surface. Here's a simple way to use it. Step 1. Dissolve a small piece of alum in a bowl of warm water. Step 2. Allow the solution to cool slightly. Step 3. Use a clean cotton pad or soft cloth to gently apply the solution to the affected area. Step 4. Let it dry naturally. That's it. No scrubbing, no harsh rubbing, just a gentle rinse. Many people notice the skin feels cleaner and less irritated after several days of consistent use. But wait, the next method is the one traditional users swear by, and most people do it completely wrong. Tip 2. The alum paste method. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Most people either use too much alum or they apply it directly from the crystal stone. That's a mistake. Alum is powerful, and using too much can leave the skin feeling dry or irritated. Instead, make a gentle paste. Here's how. Take a small pinch of alum powder, add a few drops of clean water, mix until it forms a thin paste, a light layer to the affected area. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water and gently pat the skin dry. Simple. Why does this method matter? Because moisture can sometimes create an environment where certain skin problems thrive. Health experts often recommend keeping irritated skin clean and dry whenever possible, and alum may help support that process. Many people report that after several days, the urge to scratch becomes less intense. Within a couple of weeks, the skin may appear calmer when combined with good hygiene habits. But here's something most people completely overlook. Even the best skin remedy won't help much if you're feeding the problem every day. Tip 3. Stop feeding the itch. Have you ever noticed that itching gets worse after a workout or after spending a hot day outside? That's not your imagination. Warm, sweaty environments can make certain skin conditions much more uncomfortable. This is why many people see little improvement. They apply a remedy, then spend the rest of the day in sweaty clothing. It's like trying to dry a floor while someone keeps pouring water on it. Here's what to do instead. Chant out of sweaty clothes as soon as possible. Wear breathable cotton fabrics. Use clean towels every day. Avoid sharing towels, clothing, or bedding. Wash bed sheets regularly. These simple habits can make a huge difference. Imagine 2 people using the exact same skin treatment. One keeps reusing damp towels. The other follows proper hygiene. Who do you think gets better results? Exactly. And now we're about to get to the tip that surprised me the most. So what's the biggest takeaway from today's video? Alum may help support cleaner, drier, less irritated skin when used correctly, but the real secret is combining it with good hygiene, consistent habits, and proper medical care when needed. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used alum before? And which tip surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple, science-backed natural health tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't miss our next video where we'll reveal another forgotten home remedy that many people are now rediscovering for healthier skin. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.